Namaste to one and all. This is Madhuri. It's Science at your tips. So today we are going to discuss a small question based on mole concept. That is 0.3 moles of barium chloride is mixed with 0.2 moles of sodium phosphate. Then what is the maximum number of moles of barium phosphate formed? So whenever these questions are asked, what we have to write? This is based on a chemical reaction. So for that particular chemical reaction, whatever the equation is there, that we have to write. So what is that equation we are going to write? First let us take barium chloride. Barium chloride is going to react with sodium phosphate. Then we are going to get barium phosphate and also sodium chloride because it is a double displacement reaction, precipitation reaction. So what we are going to get here? Sodium chloride and also barium phosphate. How to write barium phosphate formula? Barium valency 2, so phosphate taken twice, and Ba will get 3 because phosphate valency is 3. Right. So BaCl2 plus Na3PO4 gives rise to NaCl plus Ba3PO4 taken twice is the equation. But it is not a balanced equation. For every mole concept equation, for every mole concept question, if it is based on a chemical change, we have to write the balanced equation. Right. So here we got only skeletal equation. Let us make that balanced. So what we have to do here, as barium 3 atoms are there here, let us write 3 here. Then chlorine is becoming here 6, so let us write 6 here. Then sodium is becoming 6 atoms, let us write 2 here. Then once we will check everything is balanced or not, barium 3 atoms here and also here also 3 atoms. Chlorine 6, here also 6, sodium 6 here, 6 here. Then phosphate, otherwise let us take phosphorus separately and oxygen separately. Phosphorus 2 times it is there, phosphorus 2 atoms. Now here oxygen 4 into 2, here also 4 into 2, totally 8, right? Now it is balanced. So here everywhere they have given the question based on only moles. So let us write the number of moles based on the balanced equation. After that we'll see the question. So here 3 moles of barium chloride is reacting with 2 moles of sodium phosphate. Then we are going to get, here in the question they are asking only about barium phosphate. They didn't ask anything about sodium chloride. So let us leave about sodium chloride. We'll go only for barium phosphate. So only 1 mole of barium phosphate is formed. When 3 moles of barium chloride reacting with the 2 moles of sodium phosphate, we are going to get only 1 mole of barium phosphate. Right. Now here in the question you see 0.3 moles of barium chloride is taken and 0.2 moles of sodium phosphate is taken in the reactant side. Then on the product side, how many moles of barium phosphate will be formed? See, here 3 moles is taken, 2 moles of sodium phosphate, then 1 mole of barium phosphate is formed. Now here everything is divided with 10, means the 10th part we are taking. So here also we will get 10th part only, 0.1 mole. So without doing calculation only we can write, but up to here if you are able to write, remaining calculation will be very easy in mole concept. First of all we have to write the balanced equation, then after that we have to check with the question what they have given, number of moles, volume or mass, what they have given. Based on that we have to write the we have to frame a question here so that we can cross multiply very easily, then we'll get the answer also very easily, right? Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this, and also like, comment and share my videos. Thank you everyone.